Howdy, your tour host Reese here. I'm here to take you to Phillips Park. Without any further ado, let's get to it right now. As it is, here's a little interesting thing about this park. It's in the woods. Guys, want to take a look? I'll show you. And first things first, let's see what we have here. What appears to be is a speaker. Don't know why there's a speaker, but there's a speaker right here in the grass. So we got an interesting find just before entering. Let's go up. I hear people out there, so we're gonna just kind of like avoid that and stick with the park here in the woods. But yeah, I'm going to show you around on what this park has to offer. It's a very woodsy park. It's a very woodsy park, very fall-like, and I'll take you around. But first, you guys can take a look at the ground. We got some very nice autumn leaves here. Got some very colorful ones. Mossy bark on that one there. We'll head up and we'll see what else there is too. Okay, so we got a pathway way down there. Let's go over here and let's take that first, and we'll make our way a different direction to show you guys around Phillips Park, which is what this is. Wow, it has like mixed colors of autumn fall leaves. Cool. It just like ends somewhere over here, I believe, but it might go on up there. Up there, you can see that there's a power stuff up there. We'll go up there and we'll check out what that has up there. So, it is a steep climb, but I'll see what I can do. I got my hikers on, so they got good grips right here, very good grips. So hopefully I'll be able to get up there. Gotta hold on to stuff. And we'll make our way up there. It's like a power plant. It looks pretty steep, but I'm going to just show you guys what that looks like. There's some oil up there. I was trying to get out there, but it's a little steep, so I'll just show you from up here. We got the sun that's just like right through there. It looks pretty nice. So yeah, the power plant right there. Okay, now what we're going to is make our way out of here. I'll show you around the other section. As it is, we got some fall leaves that caught my eyes. Look how big these are. Wow. That's a big, massive fall leaf, guys. Found in Phillips Park. Let's check out that. That looks pretty cool. We got one from over here too as well. Okay, one thing I was gonna aim for that one, but there's a better way. Let's go take the better way, and we'll go see the power station. So come follow me. I'm gonna take it to right now. Let's go like right through here. So if you come along with me, I'll show you where it is. Just where I was pointing at. And we'll see if we can find some other amazing finds along the way. We got a pathway over here on a hang on my right. Hope you managed to see the nice fall leaves falling. We got a pathway tucked in right to over there. Got some logs on either side. That's an interesting looking rock just right there.
Excuse me, there is a message for you.
We got a Y split from here, from the right and the left. A little bit here. We'll go take the left side up. Here. This is a more of a nicer kind of a climb up here, so. You can see some houses up top here. Whoa, check out these berries. Cool. Okay, so where's the power plant? It's this right here. So here's the power plant. Guys can take a look. We'll take a look at what it includes. Wow. That's quite the huge power plant. Wow. It almost looks like something from a spaceship. Wow, just check out this. It looks like absolutely big. I've never seen a power plant this big before. Never. You guys can check it out. And tell me what you think of the enormous power plant. Do not know what that is right there. It's pretty interesting. It even has like signs. We'll just stay over here and just admire this interesting looking power plant. Wow. That is definitely something. It's like a time machine plus. So here I am taking you a walk around. Wow. That is definitely something. Cool. Wow, I've never seen a power plant like this before, so I'm happy to show you this on the tour of Phillips Park. We'll go back down there and we'll check out one more of the park from here. Again, thank you for tuning in and for watching. Look at Lee's inside there. Okay, back down we get to the trail to the park from here. Hope you can see some fall leaves. We'll just be very gentle as we get down. Here we are with you, 11 minutes and counting. Give the like sign for that one, guys. As was, yeah, I did say that we were gonna go see the Blightlock Mansion. I gave them a call, waiting for their reply back, and hopefully soon we'll get to see it. But yeah, coming up on the 23rd, I'll be doing the Halloween Tricks videos, the first installment. So please stay tuned for that. As is, something caught my attention. Take a look over there. We got something, what appears to be is a drawing of some kind on that log. Do not know what of, but it looks pretty interesting. Okay. We're gonna make our use foldies and we're gonna fall down to the rest of the park from here. And as you go along, you'll see some other unique autumn fall leaves. We got a mix of them just right inside here. I just love how the brown leaves mixed with the greens. It looks pretty authentic and organic. Then over here we got some little small white berries. And over here we get these. We got a nice looking, I do not know how, okay, this is very interesting. I don't know how this branch here from the ground makes its way up there and curves. You can see what the curve is just right here and all the way down over there. How did this branch curve just like this and is staying just like this? You can see where the curve is? It's just right there. And it just ends just right above there. Whoa. That's completely something. Like, it almost looks like a in magical entranceway. Just how it looks from over here now. Power plant. Right there, but we took it this way instead of it that way. This is more steeper. Best bet is to go right down to over there. Make your way up there. But yeah, quite the power plant. Wow. That still amazes me just how big that thing looks. Okay. Let's do some more on fall leaves. View the ground. Got a nice rock parked right there. Wow. All this really does like highlight and make things nice and golden. Interesting. As is, here I am dressed up for this one too. You guys can see the undershirt that I'm wearing here. Okay, let's take this a pathway down here. But first, you guys want to see the nice roots before we carry along. They look nice and elevated. You can see the roots, which is pretty interesting. That's how they pop up from the ground. Looks very earthy and very naturific. Not much of a park, but definitely has the beauty of nature and of autumn fall right now. But yeah, it is an amazing park that gets you in tune with nature. So, which is a good thing. So, anyways, let's go and up over here, and we'll see the rest of Phillips Park. Cool. That's interesting how these branches are just from down here, just resting up onto the tree right there. Don't know how it got like that, but interesting. Oh, hey, look at that. It's like a home for a gnome. We got two. Cool. And we got the mossiest looking root right here from the tree. Just look at that. Oh, sorry, anything. Let's take a closer look up at it. Here we got other sections here too. We got this section, and we got this section just right here. And then over here we got is a little mound of fall leaves. And then what appears to be is steps. We got some steps right here. We got one that's just right here. Looks nice and purple. Got one there. Got this one there just wedged into there just like the other one. And we will carry on over here and see if we can find other interesting finds. So far, we found a few interesting finds on this tour. Was pretty cool. Nice start. We found a speaker. Interesting. Never before seen a speaker up here like that, so made that one a very interesting find. Let's I see something up there. Let's go take a look up there. Do not know what that is. It looks pretty interesting. whatever it is. We'll take a look over here. Whoa, it almost looks like a hut. It almost looks like a hut, but not really. You guys want to see the evergreen tree? Got all these just clinging on it like a Christmas tree. LOL. An autumn fall Christmas tree. There we go. Okay, yeah, just right there. That's what caught my attention. Okay, let's make our way up there. We'll take a look at this from inside here. Very mossy. Well, this is interesting. We got some moss, and I do not know what this is. We got some engravings on the bark. You can see just here. Do not know what sign that is, but it almost looks like in the shape of a Capricorn. You can see here is the horns, fishtail, and here is what it looks like the hoof right there. So it almost looks like the glyph sign for Capricorn. It really does. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna take a picture of this just before we carry on from here. Right out of that. Okay, let's just go around. We'll see more of it. Okay, there. What is that? Guys, what is that? Did you just see something? I saw something. Just right over there. A bag of some sort. Got another bag there. Don't know what of, but which is pretty interesting. You can see we got something that almost looks like a dinosaur thing right here. This is how it looks, just right here. Looks pretty cool. Got the moss on that rock. We'll take a look at that one. Oh, check out this moss. See the under rock? Wow. So again, made some cool sights, random finds, interesting finds, some weird finds within this as well. Yeah. I just had to laugh at that one, guys. But yeah, I'm stoked for the getting ready for the first installment of the Halloween tricks videos. Okay, here's where I'll say something about that as well too. I'm going to extend it by until November the 5th, no later, and that's it because as it is, we have lots of great tricks so far, and wanted to make it extra special and just extending it for a little bit, and then from there I'll get ready for the Christmas trick videos from there. But first things first, just want to keep you posted with that as well too. So yeah, we're gonna go up to November the 5th, and we'll stop there for the Halloween tricks videos. Just so that you all know. There, we'll have like 14 videos. I'll give you like some for that. Since we got here, guys, can take a look at what it looks like almost looks like a teepee. Almost. Just how the logs are put together and dressed onto that tree. Another very cool, a cool one. It's a pretty small park, but makes a very interesting one. Again, full of the nature of things and the beauty of nature. We'll just walk up here. We'll see what else we can find. So far, we've found a few interesting things along the way, and that too. And I'll also keep you posted on upcoming tours as well. I'll keep you posted on the tour front. So you can see that it is a big boulder just right down there. Interesting this how it made its way like way over there. Hey, here's a little something. Maybe the time travel power plant brought that thing over here. maybe it's mysteriously time traveled. Ah, cool. How interesting. Okay. I think that's about it for here. But we'll carry on and we'll see if we can find other things. Well, here we got this interesting looking thing here. It looks like an H, the letter H. You can see there's a stick there, and a stick there, and a stick right there into the shape of the letter H. So we made out a letter in that too. Here we got another pathway going up. We'll take a look. You can see a top. Nice house with the fall trees. As you can see, just right here. On the upper level, which is what this is. We'll carry on. Whoa! That was a slippery rock. Went in front of a little top on there. Well, okay. Good thing I got these hikers, because these hikers definitely helps stay on the ground there. Okay, let's see where this path leads to. Get the hikers in. You can see how a hike and this just leads back to the where the power thing up here. That's pretty cool. The time traveler of Autumn Fall Nelson, BC. Okay, so now we're gonna head back down, and I think that this pretty much wraps this one up. Again, thank you for taking along with me and touring up to Prince Philip's Park. This one here is actually a historical park, just to let you know. You can definitely feel that vibe. That is pretty, it just has that historical feel to it, so There's something very historical. That's one thing about Nelson, BC. We got a whole bunch of amazing historical places and sites around here. And we've been through that, and we toured to them as well. And they're on here on my channel, so you guys can take a look at the other ones. There you'll see historical places, like the one that we saw at 6 Mile Beach. We saw a historical place there in the intersection as we went to a different section within that beach park. Well, that's cool. Look at these different color branches. This is more of a rustic kind, as you can tell here. Got more of them. Cool. Now that's completely interesting. So you guys saw some nice autumn fall leaves and other, as well as interesting looking twigs and wood, grass, trees, moss, and other earthy, amazing things. Okay, looks like this is pretty much it. I'll be wrapping this off. And then soon to come on the 23rd, I'll be getting ready to do the filming of the first installment of the Halloween tricks videos. So, I'm excited. Halloween's coming up, and I got you covered with tricks, pranks, and gags, and magic. Definitely for the great Hallow spirits. And again, the theme is the happy year of the Hallow spooks, which is the theme of our Halloween tricks videos. Oh, just as we go along here, I found something. A hornet's nest. That's what that is right there. We got some berries linked with it. How interesting. Get the like sign for that, guys. Hey, guess what? It's easy. There's the letter E on that tree. I just had to. I saw that comment. I saw the letter E and I thought easy. So we got another letter in this one. First we saw the letter H in sticks, and now we get the letter E. You see here on the tree. 2 letters. H-E. He. Exactly. Which is, got me thinking there. Well, as it was, Phillips, the he. And so it looks like we solved something. We solved something here. That he was the one that made this historical. So we just solved it. They got the E and the H. H-E. Cool, so we just solved something just now. I'll give you the like sign for that, guys. And then we get down to over here to a rock that almost looks like a plaque. Is he sitting here? Cool. And here, you can see where my foot is. We got some, like, Celtic-looking leaves. As you can see, just right here. Where my foot is. And now my finger goes down and picks one up and brings it up to the camera. I'll show this one too. Hey, this looks like an arrow. Like a Celtic-looking arrow. I think that we also solved another one, just by the least, that this is historical Celtic park. Because we just found these. These are actually Celtic leaves, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Celtic leaves made their way here. Which tells me that, Mr. Phillips was, tied with, in Celtic origin. Which makes it another historical. So here's a historical find. This right here. Celtic leaves. We got in almost like almost looks like the letter A, almost. This here. It does look like the letter A. You can see? Except there's one thing that's missing. Do you know what? I'm gonna actually do a little addition, guys, to this one. Let me go find a stick and make this a letter A. It needs another letter. Let's go over here. Look. Let's get this right here. It's long. We'll get this one. And we'll make it another letter. So it's something that we're gonna solve together. We'll put this right here. Just right there. Okay, let's look back. Now, it's like the letter A. Look. Except, we have to do something. We need to move them together. It looks like someone wanted to put the letter A, but didn't have that time. As it is, let's make time and make the letter A. Let's co-join these together. Got that one. That one can see there. Roll that one down. Okay, so we got this right there connected with the leaf on top, the leaf over. And then here's a stick. We'll just readjust that. There we go. Let's look back and see if we got the letter A. Okay, look. Right there. The letter A. Right there. So since that we got the H, the E, and the A. It almost is like a Celtic way of saying hey. Like, hey. Hey. H-E-A. Hey. I salute ya. And there you go right there. The letter A right there. Get the likes up for that, guys. Anyways, we're going to wrap this off. And again, thank you for tuning in, for watching this video, and solving a few things along as well. Give it up for Prince Philip's Historical Park, which is what this is. I'll see you back on the 23rd for our first Halloween Tricks video installment. So, I'm truly, Reese. Peace.